Hey everybody, welcome back to the Common Sense Dad. So today what we are going to be doing is replacing the weather stripping on this door. So you'll see that this door is way out as far as weather stripping goes. It's broken, needs to be replaced here and over here, and we're going to go ahead and replace it up top. So we're going to go ahead and spend our next couple minutes replacing that. Okay, so after we've got all the weather stripping out, first thing we're going to do is measure this. And this should be right about 8 foot, if not a little bit more or less. All right, 95 inches, 94 and a half. So let's get that cut and put it in. All right, so we get this guy on here. Get this measured out to 94 and a half, which is right here. Okay, so now we've got our piece cut. We're gonna slowly put it into the threshold and start pushing up. Oh, sucker came out. Here we go. And then we'll gently apply pressure so it goes in the ridge. So threshold slides in between the ridge here. Now, newer construction doors, that's going to be a little bit different jam, but that's okay. Really what we want to do is get that sucker in solid. All right, so this is still a good 1/2 inch too long. So we're going to have to cut it here at the jam. There we go. All right, so it fits nice and tight. We're going to cut this one. So let's get this aligned. And we're just going to line it up and take 2 inches off because these are exactly 8 feet. All right. Okay. Now we'll slide this one in. Push it up. So it's got the ridges on here so that it bites and sits inside that groove. All right. So let's give it a try here. There we go. Good seal all the way around. So it looks good. Okay. So now let's put this one in. All right, looks like we got a good overlay seal all the way around. Let's put it. Perfect. No gaps, no sunlight. That's what we're looking for. All right, so on this door, we're gonna take the seal or the sweep off on this door. And literally it's just a metal plate and we're gonna replace it with an actual sweep. So we gotta get cracking taking this thing off. Okay. Oh, that one there is nasty business. Just does not want to come out. All right. But somehow, some way, we got it. All right. What we're going to do is take this new sweep, and you'll see it's designed to slide in. So what we're going to do is dry fit this to start. And that'll allow us to make a pencil mark on where it needs to go. Oh my goodness. Well, we may not. All right, so I'm showing that just that little sliver needs to come off. And then what we'll do, let's give it a shot first. Oh yeah. So that little sliver absolutely needs to come off. So what we're gonna do is mark that about 3/8 of an inch and go cut that off. And then we'll come back and install this. Okay, so we got our mark at 3/8 of an inch. We got our little hacksaw here. All right. All right. Yeah, that's a good seal. Yeah, that's good coverage. Yeah, so that new sweep is perfect. Or daylight coming through. That's really good. That's done the trick. Okay, guys, so the last thing we're going to address today is this piece of weather stripping here on this door. I don't know if you remember this. I did a French door fix, this bottom locking plate. Well, this piece of weather stripping, which I don't even know why they have it on here. I guess it's just to protect the door, but it's completely shot. So we're going to go ahead and take this thing out and replace this with a new piece. All right, so let's get this last piece in. All right. This has been on my home repair list for, I'd say at least 4 years. Better late than never, right? All right, so there we go. Weather stripping's in. Looks good. Okay, guys, that's going to do it for me. Thanks for staying tuned to this episode of The Common Sense Dad. And again, happy weather stripping, right? Let's get those doors ready for summer. Talk to you soon. Thanks so much. Bye now.